2025 Volvo XC90. Likes. Nordic chic style. Strong turbo engine options. Emissions-free commuter in recharge form. Downright luxurious touches. Dislikes. Imminent redesign. Wool trim only at costliest level. Base B5 version lacks power. Some rivals offer more customizability. Buying tip. The XC90 is at its best with the B6 powertrain, but you don't need to step beyond the base core trim to experience its design finesse. Features and specs. B5 AWD Core 7-seater. B5 AWD Plus 7-seater. B5 AWD Ultra 7-seater. MPG. 22 city/27 highway. MPG. 22 city/27 highway. MPG. 22 city/27 highway. MSRP. $57,400. MSRP. $60,700. MSRP. $66,300. See full 2025 Volvo XC90 specs. It's a common sight, but the 2025 Volvo XC90 remains a stylish, feature-packed, and downright desirable big SUV. What kind of vehicle is the 2025 Volvo XC90? What does it compare to? The 2025 XC90 is Volvo's top SUV, a three-row model worth comparing to HTE BMW X7, Audi Q7, and Mercedes GLS. Is the 2025 Volvo XC90 a good SUV? Even though it's now a rather dated model, the XC90 remains a strong choice thanks to its good power, great cabin, and gorgeous design. It earns a 7.5 out of 10 on the TCC scale. Read more about how we rate cars. What's new for the 2025 Volvo XC90? For what may be its final year, the XC90 sees a few minor tweaks. The base turbo 4 engine sees some internal modifications, and it's newly available on the newly renamed Ultra Top trim level for the first time. Otherwise, the XC90 sticks with the same basic shape that's now a decade old. It's aging wonderfully, though, with its less is more approach to interior and exterior styling. The 9.0-inch touchscreen integrated into the dash is mounted vertically, which works far better here than in many competitors. If there are kvetches, they're that Volvo only offers a few exterior colors and that it restricts the lovely tailored wool cabin to only the top-end trim level. That's a shame. The XC90's base 2.0-liter turbo 4 puts 247 HP to the wheels, while the available B6 powertrain ups the ante considerably to 295 HP. A minor fuel economy penalty makes the B6 worth the upspend for most shoppers, though those with a 33-mile commute may like the recharge. It's the fastest by far, with 455 HP on tap, but its plug-in hybrid configuration means it can go emissions-free on a full charge. All XC90s come with all-wheel drive. They ride and handle well, albeit without the extra sporty reflexes you might find in well-equipped versions of the BMW X7 and Mercedes GLS. The XC90 has a supremely comfortable cabin, even though some rivals have more third-row space. In terms of attention to detail and materials selection, though, the XC90 can do bat with some of the top high-end luxury models. It's that good, really. Volvo includes a ton of driver assistance tech, too, including its pilot assist system that allows for short stints of hands-free driving on nearly any well-marked road. How much does the 2025 Volvo XC90 cost? Volvo wants about $58,000 for its cheapest XC90, the B5 in base core trim. It's pretty well outfitted with synthetic leather trim, a big sunroof, heated and power-adjustable front seats, and a 9.0-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We'd spend up for the B6, which adds more power, leather seats, and wood trim. It's a good value in core form. Or skip that and go crazy with an Ultra with its extra nice cabin decor. Plug-in hybrid versions cost a bit more, but they may qualify for tax credits in some markets. Where is the 2025 Volvo XC90 made? In Sweden. Styling. Volvo's biggest SUVs are a familiar, but attractive, sight. Is the Volvo XC90 a good-looking car? It's like that perennially good-looking celeb that never seems to age, even as he or she dons the latest sunglasses and hairstyle. The XC90 is the definition of ageless. It's been on the market for about a decade with few major tweaks, and yet that brand new 2025 model that tempts on a dealer's lot is still a stunner. We score it at 8 out of 10, with 2 points for exterior and 1 for the cabin. The XC90 looks best in lighter hues, which show off its muscular lines. It has broad shoulders and looks best but rides worst with the largest wheels Volvo offers. Shop accordingly, based on the quality of roads near you. And if you live in Milwaukee, consider a Sherman tank. This is the Volvo that started it all for the brand, at least in recent memory. A broad grille flanked by jellybean headlights gives way to those blistered fenders. At the rear, though, the XC90 is arguably at its best. The big tail lights that snake their way up, or down, the tailgate look great. The XC90's cabin is restrained, with a 9.0-inch touchscreen canted slightly toward the driver. Volvo is light on extra buttons and knobs, which gives this cabin a simple, but luxurious look. Remember that there's luxury in space, after all. The lack of buttons focuses your attention toward the beautiful materials Volvo selects, so long as you skip the B5 core that lacks leather and wood bits. Performance. The 2025 Volvo XC90 is quick and capable. While not the sportiest choice on the market, the 2025 Volvo XC90 has a refined, mature demeanor. It gets a 7 on the TCC scale thanks to its strong acceleration and its excellent ride quality. Is the Volvo XC90 4WD? Yes, all XC90 models come with standard all-wheel drive. How fast is the Volvo XC90? It's no slouch in any form, though the base B5 powertrain may struggle with a full load of passengers aboard. That engine is a 2.0-liter turbo 4 rated at 247 HP. It benefits from a mild hybrid setup with a 48-volt starter generator system that aids low-speed acceleration and reduces drag on the electrical system. Stronger but also a bit gruffer, the B6 version uses a supercharged and turbocharged version of that Turbo 4, which retains mild hybrid tech. At 295 HP, it's notably quicker without exacting a big fuel economy penalty. At the top of the lineup, the XC90 Recharge uses the B6 engine plus a bigger electric motor and an 18.8 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. Total output is a hearty 455 HP, and this model can travel on electricity alone for upward of 30 miles in real-world driving once it has been charged up. It's the quickest and the greenest, albeit without the otherworldly rush of power you'll find in, say, an AMG or BMW M model. All models use an 8-speed automatic transmission that behaves well but would benefit from paddle shifters for steep descents and the like. No XC90 is as light on its feet as Germany's best, but these big SUVs ride and handle well enough. They have a sedate feel, though the available air suspension is a must-have if you want to opt for larger than 20-inch alloy wheels. Comfort and quality. The 2025 Volvo XC90 has a beautiful cabin. Aging like fine wine, the 2025 XC90's cabin remains a calming, comfortable place. It's an easy 9 out of 10 here thanks to its ability to comfortably seat passengers in all 3 rows, its big cargo area, and nice materials throughout. All models have power-adjustable front seats, though the available versions wrapped in Nappa leather have more adjustment and can be heated, cooled, and massaging. Rear seat riders will find plenty of room for 3 passengers to sit abreast. Volvo offers second-row captain's chairs, which is really just the standard bench with the middle seat removed. It's a bit cheeky of Volvo to charge more for less, though. Row 2 is best for kids, though adults can squeeze back there for shorter drives. The cargo area is pretty big. Look for around 16 cubic feet behind the third row, which grows to upward of 40 cubes with the third row stowed. Maximum capacity is a reasonable 86 cubic feet, but the cargo floor itself is a bit high. Attention to detail is an XC90 highlight. Even base versions draped in synthetic leather have a bucks-up appearance. Top-end versions have gorgeous wood and metal, plus a crystal gear lever for a truly special feel. Safety. The 2025 Volvo XC90 upholds its maker's reputation for safety. How safe is the Volvo XC90? It's one of the top choices in the big 3-row SUV segment. The 2025 XC90 gets points for its top scores from the NHTSA and the IIHS, plus 2 more for its standard automatic emergency braking and pilot assist system that allows for limited spurts of hands-off driving at highway speeds. All models have adaptive cruise control, active lane control, blind spot monitors, and a great rear view camera, while a surround view camera system is available. Features: the 2025 XC90 can be outfitted like a proper luxury SUV. Even the base version of the 2025 Volvo XC90 has a high-end look and feel, while loaded-up models can feel downright dressy. The lineup scores a 9 here thanks to standard and optional fare, a good infotainment system, and a great 4-year/50,000-mile warranty with 3 years of included maintenance. The XC90 lineup starts around $58,000 for the base core trim level and the B5 powertrain. You'll sit on synthetic leather upholstery, but just about everything else inside feels high-buck. The XC90 core has a 9.0-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, a panoramic sunroof, and Volvo's full suite of driver assistance tech. The cheapest plug-in version is about $73,000, though it comes with a few extra niceties like real leather seats, and it may qualify for various incentives depending on where you live. Which Volvo XC90 should I buy? We'd spend up for the B6 powertrain, which costs about $5,000 more but add a few niceties like full leather upholstery and real wood interior bits even in core trim. That's probably all the XC90 most of us need, though the $3,000 more for the Plus trim that buys a surround view camera and a few other niceties might be worth it to you. The top Ultra trim level runs $70,000 or so, including upgraded seats with more adjustment and cooling, plus a wider range of cabin options. It's worth skipping the mid-level version, we think, if your budget allows. How much is a fully loaded Volvo XC90? A loaded-up XC90 Recharge in top Ultra trim can run $81,000 to start, though it's the only version available with the absolutely fantastic tailored wool interior option. That's a lot of money to spend on seats, but every bit of this SUV feels worth the substantial cash. It's not hard to drop another few grand on features like a Bowers & Wilkins audio system and a suede-like headliner. Fuel economy. In recharge form, the 2025 Volvo XC90 is a low-gilt big SUV. Is the Volvo XC90 good on gas? That depends on which version you pick. None are especially gluttonous, but recharge models offer an estimated 33 miles of all-electric range. That's likely enough to handle the bulk of your round-trip commute, which should make these SUVs quite cheap to run. We rate the overall lineup at 3 out of 10, though. That's based on the B5's 22 mpg city, 27 highway, 24 combined estimate, which slides to 20/26/23 mpg in B6 form. Recharge models are estimated at a decent 27 mpg combined once the electricity runs out, too.